So until now, everything that we've talked about has been part of the approved contract for a purchase in Colorado. And so the Real Estate Commission approved all the verbiage, all the language up through paragraph 29. Paragraph 30 is our opportunity to write in additional provisions for very case by case, very specific items that we need to address in any given contract. So this is verbiage that's not been approved by the Colorado Real Estate Commission. And again, it's usually things that are very specific. Now, I do have a few examples here that I use when it makes sense. Adjusting the loan amount, the fact that we're asking for the seller to provide keys, remotes, and whatnot. Carpet cleaning. A lot of times I'm deleting some of these as we get into specific situations, and a lot of times I'm adding other verbiage that may be applicable to a specific transaction. So this is our opportunity to ask for things that are important given a specific home. Paragraph 31, other documents. If there's something else that's going to be part of the contract, like a post-closing occupancy agreement, if the seller wants to lease back for a while after closing, that's a great example. And then other documents that will be part of the transaction but not a part of the contract are the square footage disclosure, the seller's property disclosure, a Colorado mold disclosure, and potentially a lead-based paint disclosure. So those things kind of round out the full contract, and again, give us the opportunity to address items that maybe didn't get addressed up till now.